Okay, in this video we're going to do an inside underarm spin for the ladies, the followers, yes. Now, this is going to be a particular type of move that's going to have 4 different looks. Same spin for the lady, but it's 4 different looks, and that means a different connection for the guys. Now, I'm going to give you 2 angles, one with my back to you, starting off, and then one with Monica's back to you starting off, where I'm facing you, okay? So that way we have 4 different styles, but 2 different angles. Cool? We're going to start with my back to you on the first one. So, on the first one, we're taking a closed position, and triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Yeah? Okay. Now, what I'm going to get you to do is that we're going to go through and do the same thing. We're going to take it with my back, or her back to you, and I'm facing you. Cool? All right, closed position. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Very good. So, that is from closed position, 2 different angles. Cool? All right, the next one. Well, back to you, 2 hands still connected. All right, ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Cool? All right, let's do that again. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Nice. All right, that was number 2. Now, the next one we're doing is that we're going to do the same thing with my back to you. It looks very similar to the last one we just did, but I'm going to let go of this hand, okay? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. I know, pretty cool, right? Now, with Monica's back to you, ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Notice how I presented the hand? Private style lesson, videos, we'll pay a little bit more about that, okay? Now, for the 4th one, okay, this is going to be really cool. It could throw you off a little bit. Now, I'm going to actually put my back to you. You're going to see a different look, okay? So we have triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Told you it was going to be different, okay? We changed sides. Now, putting Monica's back to you to start off with. Ready? And triple step, rock step, triple step, rock step. Cool. So you see how it switched angles on you, right? So these are the 4 different ways to do an inside underarm spin. So again, if you need more detail, go to your private lesson style videos to understand what that means for you, okay? Other than that, watch these quick views and watch them in detail one at a time. Come back and we'll have another pattern for you.